Thousands of people are sitting with us now in 400 cities, and in 37 cities I am seeing, means you will be seeing. 37 cities you will be seeing. 37 cities we have two-way connection, and in 400 cities people are sitting with us around the world for this N Kriya initiation. I welcome you all with my love and respects. During the Pada Puja, I'll be transmitting the experience to you. So, receive the experience. I want all of you to know, your brain can receive and send informations without communication, done in an orthodox way, like words or visuals. So just understand this much. Your brain is capable of receiving or sending communication without the orthodox methods like words and visuals. Means without verbal or visual action, your brain can receive and send information. Just remember this one truth, that is enough. You will experience the experience of N Kriya before initiation. Then I'll give you the technique. So I'm changing the trend. Usually technical knowledge, technique, experience. No. Experience, technical knowledge and technique. So I welcome all the people who are sitting with us. Perth, Australia. Blessings. Toronto, Vancouver, San Jose. Wow, Vancouver, huge crowd. LA, Seattle, Columbus, Adlingen, Germany, and London, Phoenix, Turkey, New Zealand. New Zealand 2 means New Zealand 2 cities. New Zealand itself. New York, Dallas, Singapore, Redondo Beach, California, Calgary, Temple City, California, Houston, Guadalupe, Juarez, Mexico, Jalisco, Mexico, Kuala Lumpur, Hyderabad, Pullman, Washington, Jammu, New Jersey, Slovakia, Slovakia 2, Bangalore, Patling, Jaya, Malaysia, Philadelphia, Mumbai, Sri Lanka, Atlanta. These are the cities we have two-way screen. You will be seeing all these 37 cities levitating. In all other 400 cities, I will be seeing them levitating. So, I request all the devotees, disciples, all the people participating in the initiation to sit either in Padmasana or Vajrasana or just simple squatting. First priority Padmasana, second priority Vajrasana, third priority just squatting, sit, and Samana Mudra. It will be good if you sit on the ground. So, sit in Samana Mudra means lock your hands. Right thumb should be up, left thumb should be below. Lock your hands, sit straight. Sit straight. Padmasana or Vajrasana or just Sukhasana, comfortable squatting. We'll start the initiation. Samana Mudra, lock your hands. Means the right thumb up and left thumb low, below. We'll start the initiation process. First step, I'll describe a simple, comfortable squatting, sitting straight, and very simple inhaling and exhaling 11 times just to prepare yourself for the Kriya. Please understand. Please listen now, no need to do it. I'll guide you. That time you can do. So, closing one side of the nostril with your thumb and inhaling. After you feel you are full, closing the other side and exhaling. You don't need to do it now. Just relax, listen, and do it. When we do the Kriya, listen to the instruction. Close the right nostril with your thumb, right hand thumb. Inhale through left. Once you feel complete, close the left nostril with a middle finger and ring finger and exhale through the right nostril. Simple Nadi Shodhana. Nadi Shodhana means just cleaning the nostrils, cleaning the basic nadis. Do this for 11 times. It may take maximum 1 minute. That's it, nothing else. Or 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds. Nothing more than that. I think I have shown very clearly. Please understand. Inhaling and exhaling. Nothing else. Very simple. Actually, this is not Kriya itself. It is a preparation for Kriya. The first 3 steps are preparation for Kriya. And just letting your body warm up. This is the first step. 11 times. Second step, the Bhastrika Pranayama. Please understand. The technical term is Bhastrika. Pull your lower abdomen in and up. Please understand. Don't lift your shoulder. Don't move the whole body. No. No. Just the lower abdomen should be pulled in and up. "21 times. Please understand. Again, I am preparing the body. 11 times of Nadi Shodhana, simple breathing, 21 times of Bastrika. 21 times is very simple thing. Actually, it's nothing. Just 21 times of Bastrika. This all preparation, please understand. This all preparation to push you to the original Kriya itself. The third step, inhaling as slowly as possible, holding as long as possible, exhaling as slowly as possible, holding the lungs empty without breathing as long as possible. Please understand. I have collected, arranged, compiled various different pranayamas and mudras and postures in this set to give you the maximum benefit, spending less time and less effort. Almost like lazy man's guide to enlightenment. One, Nadi Shodhana, cleaning the breathing nostril. 21, Bastrika. And again, inhaling as slowly as possible, holding as long as possible, exhaling as slowly as possible, holding the lungs empty as long as possible. This same cycle should be repeated. You see, all these 4 actions put together is called one cycle. Inhaling as slowly as possible, holding as long as possible, exhaling as slowly as possible, holding your lungs empty as long as possible without inhaling. When you can, again inhale as slowly as possible. So, this 4 action is one cycle. Like this 21 cycle. This 4 action can be called as one pranayama. So 21 pranayama. I am making it all completely numbered. A clear, logical, calculated, mathematical step for enlightenment. I am making your enlightenment just like bank account. Please understand. Do this, do that, you will have it. Because common man understands only this language. So 21 pranayama. This is the 3rd step. But I want all of you to know, all these 3 steps are only preparation for the Kriya. Now we are entering into the exact Kriya itself. Exact Kriya itself. Only if you do these 3 steps of preparation, you will be able to enter into the exact Kriya itself. This is the most powerful part. Please understand. The exact Kriya, if you do without preparing these 3 steps, it will not have any effect on you. So you need to enter into this Kriya after only these 3 steps. That is why I am saying, whole thing is Kriya. For your understanding, I am explaining how the process is happening. Now, 581 places around the world are sitting with us live. I can say we crossed the basic critical limit needed for the energy to land. Now I am very clearly seeing the energy has started expressing. Now all the people who are sitting around the world in these 581 places will experience the Kundalini awakening. And at least 100 places will have the materialization of Vibhuti. You will see now. You will receive at least 100. Oh, New York already started coming. So please understand, at least 100 places you guys will experience the materialization of Vibhuti as a symbol of the Master's presence physically there. Now listen the instruction. Thumbs on the ears and the index finger and middle finger on the eyes and the ring finger on the nose. If the little finger touches your lips, that's enough. Even if it doesn't touch, it's okay. Please understand. I'll show you. As per the yogic tradition, all 5 senses are in your face itself. Ears, smelling nose, taste tongue, seeing eyes. The cheeks are considered to be the touch. That is why cheeks play such a major role in the pleasure of touching. So, through this mudra, you do pratyahara of all 5 senses. Please understand. Your hands are the gateway for your prana. It can send or receive prana. That is why whenever not me, all over the world, in all traditions, not just Vedic tradition, in any religion, a highly evolved pranic source, an enlightened master or an incarnation or a saint or a religious leader, blesses you with the hands towards you. Means he is releasing the pranic energy. And when you are asked to receive, you are always asked to raise your hand so that you can receive. Hands are gateway to send or receive pranic energy. Now when you lock your hands on the senses, all the senses are withdrawing inside. The pratyahara happens. Thumb on the ears, 2 fingers on the eyes, and the ring finger on the nose, little finger on the lip, and lock the nose, lock the breathing through these 2 ring fingers as long as possible. Please understand. Never try to do with the middle finger. If you try to lock the nose with the middle finger, you will lock it more than you can bear. The danger of fainting or disturbing your health is possible. It is there. So, don't do with middle finger. Do it with ring finger. Do it with ring finger. Please understand. The ring finger, Washington, New York, Port Washington, New York, please don't do now. Wait. I'll guide you. You can do that time. Just listen. Listen to the instruction. Don't do now. New York. I am saying do not do now. Kalavati, just listen. I'm seeing very clearly how the etheric body of me is being used by the cosmos like a huge octopus. It is spread, and it is just putting in each place where people are sitting one leg and connecting with the people. God, I can see very clearly all the places people will experience levitation. At least in 100 places, devotees will have vibhuti from padukas, and at least 200 devotees will receive vibhuti in their hands. Now, the devotees, if you see vibhuti coming out of your hand, don't be afraid or surprised. I could see the energy expression. One side, the energy overload, people are rolling, I can see everywhere. On the other side, webinar overload. It's not able to handle. Jnanatma, you are ready? More and more people are logging in, signing in. So all the people who missed for a few minutes webinar stopped, I wanted to tell all of you, you have not lost anything. I have not given any instruction in those few minutes. I waited. So please, you can listen now. So now, The hands, the thumb on the ears, the index finger and middle finger on the eyes, the ring finger on the nose, and the little finger on the mouth, stop the breathing flow, inhaling or exhaling completely as much as you can. Please don't do now. Relax. Relieve your hands. As much as you can, stop the flow. After a few minutes or a few seconds, you will feel, oh, now I cannot stop anymore. Then just release those two ring fingers. For a few seconds, the body will automatically inhale or exhale. Let it do its job. You don't do inhaling or exhaling. Body will automatically balance. Please understand. You do not put your will. When you feel you can't handle anymore, just release. Body will automatically balance itself. So once if you release your nostrils and lock again, it is called one pranayama. So this way, 21. Please understand. It's a fourth step. First, a simple cleaning of the nostril. Second, Bhastrika. Third, inhaling as slowly as possible, holding as long as possible, exhaling as slowly as possible, holding the lungs empty as long as possible. Fourth, locking the nostril completely as long as you can through the ring finger. In different countries, showing finger is a big risk. Because people are watching from all the cultures and countries, we will have to be very careful about the showing fingers. Fifth part is, please understand, this fourth part is the main kriya. The fifth part is settling with your body, means balancing the body. First three steps are preparation. The fourth step is main kriya. And the fifth part is balancing your body, settling your body. The settling or balancing can be done by intense humming. 7 minutes of intense humming means the energy created has to be churned in your system. Intense humming for 7 minutes. After that, living means making that a part of your muscle memory. This will be done by the 7 times doing Shakti Dharana. Please understand. Shakti Dharana means raising your hands towards the sky and visualize the Master's presence and energy intensely landing on you, awakening your Kundalini on the whole body, and bow down to the cosmos. Surrender to the cosmos 7 times. Please understand. Totally 5 action. Simple breathing 11 times. Bhastrika 21 times. The inhaling slowly, holding long, exhaling Samana Kriya That 21 times. And the fourth part is Shambhavi Mudra, holding the breath completely through Shambhavi Mudra 21 times. And the fifth part is Mahamantra 7 minutes. And the sixth part is the Shakti Dharana, means receiving the cosmic energy and offering it. Please understand, it's a unique combination. I have put the whole world into this one Kriya. I put the whole world into this one Kriya. The sixth part is 7 times receiving the energy, connecting with the cosmos, sky, and surrendering to the cosmos, earth, becoming part of the cosmos. 7 times. The whole thing will take less than 7 minutes. These 7 times of Shakti Dharana. And the last but not least, sit for a few minutes and send an intense, loving, compassionate, blissful vibrations to all over the world with a proper Swasti Mantra. Swasti Mantra means sending the peace and bliss to the whole world with the ideas like Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Let the whole world be at peace. Let the whole world be in bliss. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. With this beautiful, deep, spiritual feeling and compassion, send the loving, compassionate vibrations to the whole world. Healing vibrations to the whole world. All these 7 steps put together will take only less than 42 minutes. Please understand, this is what I call Yen Kriya. Very powerful process. All these 7 you would have done with me separately, individually. I am putting all these 7 together. Most powerful, highest possible frequency, the life breath, vibration will happen in you. You will see the intense Kundalini awakening happening in you. The Yen effect will be experienced by you. Please understand, because in this body all these experiences happened and the clear arrangement has happened, and coming out anybody who does this Kriya will immediately connect with this energy which is expressing through this body and experience intense Kundalini awakening and Yen effect as people experience in my presence, or I can say much more than the experience happening in my presence. Please understand, through this initiation I add Master's grace and blessings to this Kriya and to all of you. Now at this moment 615 places around the world people are sitting. I bless all the people who are sitting around the world. Please understand, with my blessings and the grace of all the great masters, I initiate all of you. All of you will have people who are sitting around the world and here in the physical presence. All of you are initiated. I bless you all with the experience of initiation.